let's just talk about this idea of inventory costing, okay? What is the problem that we're trying to figure out? Okay, so I'm going to give you a hypothetical here, okay? So on January 5th, we bought 10 units at $5 each, okay? So that's where this $50 is coming from. We would have done something like, inventory, debit $50, and then let's just say accounts payable, okay? So that's where this debit is coming from. Everyone should be familiar with that from last chapter, purchase transaction. Everyone good with that? Okay, so then the next day, we're buying 8 more units. Okay, so at a different price. So we have $5 each unit here, $7 here. So this is a similar kind of thing. This is where the 56 comes from, right? 8 times 7 is $56. So that the total value of the purchase is $56. So now we have $106 of inventory. And then we have one more purchase transaction. We buy, now it's another price, $3. Okay, so that's where this 12 comes from. 4 units, $3 each, $12. So we have within this $118 kind of 3 layers. We have a $5 layer, we have a $7 layer, and a $3 layer. Okay, and there's 10 of these, there's 8 of these, and there's 4 of these. Okay, so now the next day we sell 12 units. Okay, so we know that one of our journal entries for this sales transaction is going to be of this form, right? Again, this should be uh, clear from last chapter. We did this all day, right? The difference is in chapter 5, we were just told what the cost of goods sold is. Okay, now we're going to ask the question, okay, we're selling 12 units. We have a total of 22 units here. So how should we calculate cost of goods sold? We're selling 12. How much should we pay for those 12? What is the question that we have? What is the to answer that? What do we need to know? Exactly. Okay, so for example, our cost of goods sold could be maybe we're going to sell 10 of these and 2 of these. So then we would do 50 plus 2 of these $3 units is 6. So it could be 56 where we had 10 from here. So we're going to sell all of these, and then this will go to 2 because 2 of them are going to be sold here. So there's 10 and there's 2. So there's 12 units at $56. Or we could do maybe, again, we have $5, 10. Oh man, I'm running out of space. Okay, I'll just do it in our heads, okay? Maybe we'll do 6 from this $5. So this 10 will become 4, and the cost of goods sold. Okay, so how should I draw this? Okay, so does everyone follow how I got this 56? Right? Again, I had 10 units at $5, and I'm going to sell 10 of them. That's going to be $50 of cost of goods sold. But I need 12 units, so I need to take 2 more from over here. So I took 2. I had 4 originally. I crossed this out. I have 2 left, and 2 of them are going to be sold, and that cost me $6. So the total cost of goods sold is 56. Okay, I could also do, um, instead of 10 from this $5 bucket, I'm going to do 6. So 6 times 5 is $30. And then I can do 6 from here. Okay, so if I do 6 from here, 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, so now my cost of goods sold is 72. Okay, so the same 12 units, but I have 2 totally different cost of goods sold, just depending on which of these buckets I chose from. Okay, so we need some way of doing this because there's no right answer here. We just need to choose a method and stick to it. Okay, so this is kind of the problem that we're trying to solve with having an inventory costing method, because in the real world, we're not going to always pay the same price for our inventory. It's going to be fluctuating. Okay, so we need to have some way of choosing which units we're going to cost when we have a sales transaction.